The Four Agreements, a spiritual guide by Don Miguel Ruiz, provides powerful teachings for individuals looking to experience personal freedom and true happiness. The Four Agreements are commitments you make to yourself, and they include being impeccable with your word, not taking anything personally, not making assumptions, and always doing your best. 1. Be impeccable with your word. The first agreement speaks to the power of our words and how they shape our reality. Being impeccable with your word means to speak with integrity, saying only what you mean, avoiding speaking against yourself or gossiping about others. Words are a tool of magic, capable of creating a beautiful or destructive narrative. For example, if you're a manager, use your words to inspire, motivate, and uplift your team. If you make a promise, ensure that you deliver on it. If you don't know something, be honest about it. Your integrity as a leader will strengthen your team's trust in you. 2. Don't take anything personally. The second agreement teaches us not to take anything personally. The actions and words of others are a projection of their own reality and not a statement about us. When we internalize this agreement, we can avoid much suffering from unjust criticism or negative feedback. Suppose a coworker snaps at you one morning. Instead of taking it personally and letting it ruin your day, consider that they might be having a rough day or dealing with personal issues. Remembering this agreement allows you to empathize with them and maintain your peace of mind. 3. Don't make assumptions. The third agreement cautions against making assumptions. We often assume we know what others are thinking or feeling, leading to misunderstandings, sadness, and conflict. The solution is to have the courage to ask questions and express what we truly want. For instance, if a friend doesn't respond to your text message immediately, you might assume they're ignoring you. This assumption could lead to needless worry or negative feelings. Instead, ask directly if there's a reason for the delay. More often than not, your assumptions might be incorrect. 4. Always do your best. The fourth agreement is to always do your best, knowing that your best will vary from moment to moment. By committing to doing your best at all times, you'll avoid self-judgment and regret. Let's say you're a writer, and some days you produce pages of work while on others, only a few lines. As long as you know you've given it your all each day, you'll have peace of mind knowing you've kept this agreement. Conclusion. These four agreements seem simple but require deep commitment and understanding to practice daily. Ruiz suggests that by adopting these agreements, we can transform our lives, replacing old limiting beliefs that rob us of joy and create needless suffering. In your personal life, consciously remind yourself of these agreements daily and try to implement them. In your work life, these agreements can guide your interactions and decision-making process. They can help build better relationships, foster positive environments, and increase satisfaction in your personal and professional lives. The Four Agreements is about breaking free from the chains of society's conditioning, giving you the freedom to live a life true to yourself, not what others think should be. The possibilities of what you can achieve and the peace you can experience are as vast as the ocean when you integrate these four agreements into your life. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more content.